Jamb registrar breaks down in tears as they apologize for failing UTME candidates and their parents.
That girl went take her life. They say the girl result they below the university, so they not go accept her. So she can't take poison. She be go meet her elder sister when she dey stay. We say, give me all here, give me all here. So that one is saying a joke, they joke. Can't say come on here. Like say she rethink the thing after she don't take the substance finish. She can't say can't go meet her sister for stuff. Say give me all here. So after she take the poison, according to the story when I see yesterday, she just write Jamb, so her cutoff one was very low. So the university when she be applied for not accept her. According to the result when fair reach her. So to just cut the long story short, she can't die. They say after she died, then they send another text message can say her cutoff mark different. The first one they fair give her, not the original one. And the young girl picture was everywhere yesterday
on the net.
She was 16 and be 17 years old.
Yeah, I see that particular story. And I make this developing story from Jamb registrar. They cry. How can you make such a technical mistake? You know what you don't do. That is, you don't make people actually they cry. Families they scatter because of this particular thing.
Yes, see the registrar of the board, Professor Ishak Oloyede.
As registrar of Jamb, I hold myself personally responsible, including for the negligence of the service provider and I unreservedly apologize for it. And the trauma it has affected Nigerians to, directly or indirectly. We have decided that all the candidates affected in the 157 centers of the 882 be contacted to retake their examinations.
One or two errors, so nine them get mind publicly they talk all those things. They make our students they be like say they no get sense or they no go school.
Some ignoramus who they always use the opportunity to do class say nowadays children of days they don't normally open their textbook to read, they run to ChatGPT to follow up. They tell you don't learn for ChatGPT. You know how many things I don't learn.
And this are the more reason why we go support the motion of waiting. Alex Onya they talk. That's Edu Care man.
What he talk?
That's one when he say go carry Jamb go court. He need to carry them
because it don't cost a lot of havoc.
Drag their two hand go court.
It don't cost a lot of havoc.
Because time don't reach. You they break down in tears.
Excuse. Waiting be the one or two
that
errors.
That is what you will go do with your tears right now. This is unacceptable.
It's so sad. And things like this can only happen in a country called Nigeria.
I tell you the truth.
Because this cannot.
And you go see this man is supposed to lose his job now. Go come up for chair. Another person take over. He go there one place. They answer question. You know what he don't do? This Jamb registrar, for every error we happen, we make the students right now, the ones where they commit suicide, the ones where they, in fact, a lot of things don't happen on that tone where we actually know if it's explained. Even the ones who don't come out for the internet, something needs to be done. Baba need to step out from that chair. He need to day aside for now.
Stepping out from that chair not go resolve issue. You need to find way first.
That is the first step in the right direction. And that is what you should do in a civilized country.
Wait till be the one or two error when he turns.
He go explain. He go need to explain.
Because this one was the biggest failure ever.
And they get mind though.
They are NASA. They take pride. It's because our machine.
You remember the statements where they make? They talk say this one don't show. Say this government they fight malpractice.
They only fight malpractice.
So you will take back that statement and you go answer. Main law hand touch am hold am one way.
I support you.